Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain how you can adjust the column width automatically. So auto adjust the column width in automatically. So for example, you can see I have entered the full name of the student. This is my column name, but you can see it is not fit into the column number A. So I have to adjust its width. So let's enter another. So similarly you can see roll number is not fit, so I have to adjust the width. On the other hand, let's say I click on sheet number 1, and here you can see, let's enter another. When I enter university name and press tab, you can see its width is adjusted automatically. So let's enter the full name of the student. So let's say the name of the student is Rahul Kumar Verma. Just I am entering any name to show you how to adjust the column width. When I press and so you can see when I enter this name, you can see the width is adjusted automatically. Similarly, you can see the address. When I enter address, the width is adjusted automatically. How to do this? So for example, just go to the right click on the sheet and click on view code. So click on view code, right click on the sheet and click on view code. Here you can see, select the worksheet. Okay, and here you have to write the code. So the code is very simple. Right click, view code, and you can see this is the code, cells dot entire column dot auto fits. So you have to write this code. Right click on sheet 2, view code, and here write cells dot entire column dot auto fit. This is the code. Simply write cells dot entire column dot auto fit. Click close, and now enter any column. You can see its width will be adjusted automatically. You can see width is adjusted automatically. So I hope you have liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching.